Yeah, it's not.
Well, good morning.
Yeah,
I'm here at Signature Aviation because we're doing something kind of weird. You guys have seen Nate on my videos before. I'm here with Nate, and I'm here with Jay. Jason from Rebuild Rescue has purchased yet another airplane that we're going to go move. So let's go see what it is. All right, we're going to open the hangar and see what this looks like. Jay and Nate are trying to figure out how we're going to go about this. So give me a couple of seconds. Jay, go ahead. Now, well, this looks like it's a Comanche. Pretty too. I've never flown in a Comanche. I always wanted to. I thought they were really cool airplanes.
We're going to have to push the tail down to get this tow bar off. The nitrogen's all out of the strut.
Okay. All right. Give me a second. We're going to... We have to get the tow bar off so we can get it going. This has been sitting for a while. Well, Nate has us all hooked up. We're going to follow the airplane to its new home for a little bit and go from there. Nate has brought in a crew to help be safe moving this airplane. Well, this is kind of a special edition of the Mustang Bob 51 channel. I'm here with Nate. Hello. And we're here at Salt Lake International because the team from Rebuild Rescue is here rescuing yet another airplane. This one's a really sweet Comanche 250. It's been sitting for 13 years since its last annual. And so far, everything looks really good. So we'll go talk to Joe here in just a minute. But it's fun to be here with Joe and the team, and we'll be back. So I just went over and put the battery in this airplane, and They've got the upper plugs out. They put some oil in the cylinders. They're going to spin it over and see if they've got oil pressure. Trying to decide what to do next.
Let me go to the bar.
So Pete, we just put the battery in.
Yep.
Pete's going to test everything.
Let's go. Here we go.
Okay, we got
We
lights.
got lighting. Let's get the radios on.
The radios are working.
Radio master works. All my lighting works.
We got strobes. We got landing lights.
We got the tails, two tails.
Got two tail lights. We were testing this a minute ago. We've got a red nav light. We don't have a green nav light. But everything seems to be looking really good.
And Dylan, you on your way.
When we get it outside, we'll get that better for sure.
Okay.
Happy.
Man, this is a nice airplane.
You are.
I like it.
Okay. So there's a crew coming over to move this really nice jet. And they're going to pull this out. Spin the engine over, make sure we got oil pressure, then they'll put the plugs in and see if this will start for the first time in 13 years. Hey, Joe. This is exciting. I'm happy for you guys. This is really cool. The battery work.
The coolest part is I'm back in Utah, hanging out with my buddy Bob.
So you left Rebuild Rescue again.
Yeah, to rescue.
They're just pulling this thing outside to see if it'll start for the first time in 13 years. They're gonna have, the fuel tanks are pretty empty, so we're gonna put some fuel in it first. Well, actually, I think what they're gonna do is they're gonna spin it over and make sure they've got oil pressure, then put some fuel in it, and then try to start it. So let's see what happens.
Got fuel pressure? And that's when Stu's running 540. It really does sound awesome. All right, he's going to warm it up here for a bit.
I will. Well, it's the next day. They're going to start this puppy up again and get it warmed up, and then we're going to change the oil and do a. Sorry about the jet in the background. I'm at an airport. What can I say? Anyway, yeah, we're going to change the oil and plugs. The nose strut needs rebuilding. Tires, all of that stuff. Check the brakes. Check all the fluids. Anyway, cool stuff.
All right, how many rotations?
Oh, I think it's going to pop on the fourth blade.
Yeah.
Fourth blade.
Where's Joe?
Where is Joe? Oh, there he is. Joe, all this is waiting on you, brother. I said fourth blade.
Fourth?
Yeah,
I ran fine last night.
that's
Popped
that's
right off.
that's what I'm saying.
As long as he primes it properly.
That's right. Clear prop. I lost. Oh man, that is just smooth. That is awesome. That three-bladed prop is sweet. All right, well, Rebuild Rescue Crew are going to do their magic. Get this thing warmed up and do the maintenance on it. And I'll see you inside the hangar when we get it back in there. So it's early afternoon here. We got the airplane up on jacks. Got the oil drained. Still have to pull the filter, pull the tires. Got a bad master cylinder that they're trying to get a kit for. Yeah, so we'll just keep going. They're going to do some gear swings real quick just to verify everything works before we start tearing off tires. You need a ladder, Pete.
I agree with you.
Okay, we are clear.
Clear all around?
Clear all around.
Power's coming on.
All right.
Ready for gear?
Yep. Oh, look at that. Left one's not stowing all the way.
Right one's the same spot.
Down?
Right one's the same spot.
They're not, it's not stowing all the way up. Nose did, but.
Did you get green? Did it show green or no? No?
The mains aren't going up all the way?
That's correct.
The bungees are shut.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Okay. All right, so coming down again.
Ready?
Yep, clear. There we go.
I'm going to come back up with it one time.
Okay.
Because I popped the breaker before.
All right, clear. And that came all the way up.
Now they're all the way up.
Yep.
I know exactly what happened before. Caught the carpet.
Ah,
Carpet was folded up.
carpet gets in the way. The carpet monster.
Come back down.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
Hey, what's up?
Well, so we've been working pretty hard on this airplane. Got the new tires on it. Got new plugs in it. Joe has the vacuum pump in it. He's going to work on the fuel pump here in a bit. We basically have everything we need to get this thing out the door, with the exception of the ADSB, and it's supposed to be here tomorrow.
Another camera.
So here's Pete. He's going to do the last safety wiring on the airplane, right, Pete?
I think.
It's the last one. And
Hey,
it's
Bob, I
the
think
break.
that's the safety wire you refused to do, isn't it?
It is.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Don't worry, he did the one I refused
I
as well.
did tell you that I hate safety wire.
It's like you guys have me here just to do safety wire.
It's all true. It's all true.
Hey, at least this way you know it's done right.
Who says that?
A professional. When he shows up, I'll let you ask him.
Yeah. Who's a professional here? I'd like to know.
Not it.
Yeah, this is why I wanted you to do this. You're a lot faster at it than I am.
Yep.
Okay. So the brakes are done. The strut's resealed. We got a problem though. That's kind of putting a big stopper on all of this. I don't know how well you can see in there, but if you look closely at the back, that helicoil is coming out. So that's got to be repaired before this airplane can fly. So flying today or tomorrow is out of the question, but it'll get fixed. All right, so the fellas are servicing the struts with nitrogen.
What'd you want in it? How far?
3.5. Is it too high?
Oh, yeah.
That's fine.
All right, okay. Well, now that you left off, it came down.
Yeah. Let off for a second. Pull it out.
It's a bitch to get in and out, so. Yeah, I just went down.
How far is that?
That's only 116.
All right. Here, do it again. And then pull it off. And we'll just lower it. If we have to adjust it, we'll just let the air out that way. Good.
All right, right there.
That'll make it a whole lot easier on getting the tow bar in.
Yep.
That's definitely what you got.
It's easier to get it down than it is to get it up. That's what she said.
So Peter and Joe are doing the last thing we can do on this, and that's wash it. Everything is done. New tires, nitrogen in the struts. It's got a bath. The only thing left is paperwork and a spark plug. But she's a fine looking little lady. Thanks to Peter
Trying.
and Joe. And Joe's complaining because his feet got wet and it's the only shoes he has. We've had a good time.
So here we are, the end of the Rebuild Rescue. And Tom's been a great help. And obviously I'm talking on his channel, so apparently he likes me. Finally, after all this time. But no, we really appreciate everybody watching, coming along, subscribing, and liking all these videos, because without you guys, we wouldn't be able to do it. So,
And so, why did you leave Rescue Rebuild this time, Joe?
well, it's because we had a rescue in your backyard. So, and that's always
And
cool.
I thought it was just to come see me.
Well, I could do that too, but I need my vacation week. So then you got to have a lot of work for me to do. So,
Well, like Joe said, thanks so much for watching my channel. Hopefully you got something out of it. If you did, please subscribe and like and share, and you know, all this stuff that goes along with YouTube. And we'll see you on the next episode.
see yous.